We are now going to talk about what happens when we raise a power to a power. And so for our first example, we're going to start with 3 squared to the 4th. Now remember, an exponent says we take whatever it sees and we multiply it that number of times. So this becomes 3 squared times 3 squared times 3 squared times 3 squared. There are 4 copies of 3 squared. Now we can use just our product rule to say 3 squared times 3 squared is 3 to the 4th, 6th, 8th. So this becomes 3 to the 8th. And just like before, we notice that 2 times 4 is 8. So if I raise a power to a power, that means I multiply the powers together. A to the m raised to the n power is a to the m times n. So let's look at a couple of examples. Suppose we have 4 cubed to the 5th. Well, I have a power to a power, so I get 4 to the 3 times 5, which is 4 to the 15th. Likewise, if I have negative 3 cubed squared, I'll get negative 3 to the 3 times 2, which is negative 3 to the 6th. Finally, what if I take 6 cubed and raise it to the 0 power? Well, this becomes 6 to the 3 times 0, which is 6 to the 0, but anything to the 0 other than 0 is 1. So that's raising a power to a power.